Today, we will explore the fascinating world of AI in content creation and YouTube automation. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the way content is generated and managed on platforms like YouTube. With AI, creators can automate various aspects of their channels, saving time and effort while delivering high-quality content to their audience. One significant application of AI in content creation is automated video editing. AI algorithms can analyze raw footage and automatically generate edited videos, eliminating the need for manual editing. This allows creators to focus more on the creative process rather than spending hours in front of editing software. Furthermore, AI can assist in optimizing video titles, tags, and descriptions for better discoverability. By analyzing keywords and trends in popular videos, algorithms can suggest relevant title variations and tags that improve a video's visibility on YouTube's search results. Additionally, AI-powered recommendation systems play a crucial role in suggesting personalized content to viewers. By analyzing user behavior, such as watching patterns and preferences, these algorithms recommend videos that are tailored to individual interests. This enhances user experience and increases viewer engagement. Moreover, AI algorithms can transcribe audio into captions or subtitles accurately. This feature not only makes videos accessible to people with hearing impairments but also improves search engine optimization as captions enhance a video's discoverability. Lastly, AI enables sophisticated voiceover capabilities. Creators can now use text-to-speech technology that sounds remarkably natural to generate voiceovers for their videos. This saves time and resources while maintaining professional narration quality. In conclusion, the integration of AI into content creation and YouTube automation has transformed the way creators produce and manage their channels. From automated video editing to personalized recommendations and accurate transcription services, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the industry, allowing creators to deliver high-quality content efficiently to a global audience.